Trading never used to make sense to me until I started realizing, oh shoot, there's a dealing range. The market gives you one job. That one job is to find a dealing range. When you find a dealing range, everything starts to make sense. Let me break it down to you. Look, it's simple. Sellers had control. They took out this high, right, and came and broke this low. So now everyone is looking to sell here. However, that is not the dealing range. The dealing range is when that gets violated. We now have a main push because why? Sellers got trapped and it got slapped out of the market. Now, what do you think we're looking for? Price, I already explained. It goes like this. Main push, mitigation, expansion. Cycle is done. It's simple, but it's not easy. Look, you just have to wait. Sellers got violated, right? If sellers got violated, we now have a main push. In this scenario, we only have this extreme where buyers took control and violated sellers' control. Sellers had control here. That control got demolished, right? Now, you might have another scenario like this where buyers took control. We mitigated that supply zone. However, this portion here violated that. It became a main push. Now, we know that the market moves in one way and one way only. This is the cycle. It goes up, mitigation, expansion. Cycle is complete. But you want to get on this move here because why the market has shown us the dealing range. The dealing range is established when something like this happens. Understand the dealing range and you'll be able to get this portion here. Let me show you. So a lot of you might be thinking, I'm tweaking. Look, buyers took control. Change of start delivery, mitigation, cycles complete. We came down and violated those buyers here. What do we have now? A new dealing range because this range took out this low. The buyers had control here. That control got violated. So sellers are now in control. If sellers are in control, what led to this break? It was this portion here. It wasn't this. This happened after the control was taken. So what do we have to do? Come back to the extreme. This is our dealing range. We go here and we replicate that. Look. Violation of the control of previous people who was in control. This becomes the dealing range. Then we go up, mitigation, expansion. That is the cycle done. But hey, everyone will say I'm tweaking. But if you think I'm not tweaking, join my Telegram. I dropped a full data set on how you can use this in your trading. It's very simple, but it's not easy.